Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here you see ultimate 100% real, 100% natural miracle conch pearl in the shape of Lord Shiva face. You can see clear Lord Shiva face. You can see two eyes and a third eye, nose, mouth, and the real face of Lord Shiva. Conch pearl in the real shape of Lord Shiva. Totally unbelievable conch pearl collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See? Conch pearl perfectly in the shape of Lord Shiva face. Totally unbelievable, totally unbelievable. You can see clearly two eyes, nose, mouth, and third eye of Lord Shiva. Conch pearl perfect in the shape of Lord Shiva face. A miracle conch pearl collection from Indian Ocean. By having this conch pearl with you, you will get extreme, 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 extreme blessings of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See, very clear Lord Shiva face. You can see the conch pearl perfect in the shape of Lord Shiva face. Unbelievable collection from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.